Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best wine dispenser is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets for any wine enthusiast, offering a sophisticated way to preserve and serve your favorite vintages with precision and ease, ensuring every glass is poured to perfection and minimizing waste, making it an indispensable addition to your home bar or kitchen. Number 5. Secura Stainless Steel Rechargeable Electric Wine Opener. Introducing the Secura Electric Wine Opener, designed to effortlessly remove corks in seconds. It's compatible with most wine bottle sizes, making your wine experience seamless. Using it is incredibly easy. Just place it on your wine bottle, press the button, and your wine is ready to serve. It's that simple. This electric wine opener boasts a small footprint, allowing for discreet storage when not in use. Its charging base can be conveniently placed next to your wine storage. With its elegant design, it makes an amazing present for any occasion. It's also perfect for use at home, parties, restaurants, or bars. It features a wide input voltage range for global compatibility and comes with a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. Remember to charge it every 3 months if not in regular use. What we like. This electric opener is perfect for effortless cork removal. If you're tired of struggling with manual corkscrews or want a quick and easy way to open wine bottles, this is for you. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or for those who appreciate a clutter-free counter. What people say. The wine dispenser machine is a great addition to any home bar, allowing you to serve wine by the glass with ease. Its sleek design complements any decor, and the 4-bottle capacity means you can offer a variety of wines. The machine is easy to use and maintain, ensuring a perfect pour every time. Number 4. hOmeLabs 120 can Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. Introducing the ultimate beverage cooler, designed to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. It's ideal for any space, providing convenient access to refreshments whenever you desire. This mini fridge boasts a sleek, freestanding design with a reinforced glass door and a matte silver stainless steel frame. Its elegant appearance and white LED lighting add a touch of sophistication to any room. With a generous 120-can capacity and 3 removable shelves, organizing your favorite beverages has never been easier. Customize the interior to suit your needs for a truly premium experience. Effortlessly set your desired temperature down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit with the intuitive digital display. It even remembers your settings, ensuring optimal cooling even after a power interruption. Enjoy optimal performance with its energy-efficient technology and whisper-quiet compressor. This chiller operates silently, ensuring a peaceful environment while keeping your drinks perfectly cold. What we like. This beverage cooler offers ample space for all your drinks. If you're looking to keep a variety of beverages perfectly chilled for impromptu gatherings or just for personal enjoyment, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for offices, dorms, or anyone wanting a dedicated spot for cold drinks. What people say. This wine dispenser is a great addition to my home bar. It holds up to 4 bottles and dispenses wine with a simple push of a button. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much counter space. I love that it keeps the wine at the perfect temperature for serving. Number 3. 5-in-1 Electric Wine Decanter and Smart Liquor Dispenser. Are you tired of overpouring wine or mixing inconsistent cocktails? Our Smart Liquor Dispenser offers precise dosing with one-touch operation, making it an essential for any gathering. Whether serving wine to guests, mixing cocktails, or pouring spirits, every pour is perfectly measured. Let everyone focus on the celebration without the hassle of measuring drinks. No time to decant. Let technology do it. This device unlocks your wine's peak flavor in seconds, perfect for unexpected guests or last-minute gatherings. Serving drinks is now effortless. Its intuitive touch controls and one-handed operation mean no more struggling with heavy bottles, even when your hands are full. Worried about bottle fit? It's compatible with a wide range of bottles thanks to included adapters and an extendable tube. Use it with wine, whiskey, gin, vodka, and more. This rechargeable dispenser uses Type-C charging and can dispense many bottles on a single charge. It's ideal for parties, events, or as a stylish gift for any home bar. What we like. This smart dispenser offers precision pouring for any occasion. If you enjoy hosting parties, mixing cocktails, or want to ensure consistent drink measurements without the hassle, this is the gadget for you. It's perfect for game days, celebrations, or as a sophisticated gift for the beverage enthusiast. What people say. The machine is very easy to set up and use. It keeps the wine at the perfect temperature for serving. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 2. Levare Electric Wine Decanter with Aerator. Experience wine like never before with our patented swirling technology. It transforms your wine in minutes, not hours, by softening tannins and enhancing flavor. Our advanced aeration process naturally softens tannins and reduces bitterness, delivering crystal clear wines with full bouquet aromatics and enhanced flavor notes. Intelligent cycling technology automatically adjusts aeration time based on the wine volume. Enjoy superb results with simple one-touch operation. This elegant set features a crystal clear decanter and a sophisticated metallic base, making it an impressive centerpiece and an ideal gift for wine lovers. Enjoy seamless entertaining indoors or outdoors with its battery-operated or plug-in functionality. Elevate any moment with perfectly aerated wine anywhere. This special edition comes in a festive holiday red, perfect for seasonal celebrations and gifting. What we like. Experience wine's peak flavor with this advanced aerator. If you're a wine connoisseur or simply want to elevate your wine drinking experience, this is a must-have. It's perfect for those who appreciate the nuances of wine and want to unlock its full potential with minimal effort. What people say. The Wine Dispenser is a great addition to my home bar. It keeps my wine fresh and ready to serve. I love the sleek design of this wine dispenser. It looks very modern and fits perfectly with my kitchen decor. The 4-bottle capacity is perfect for entertaining guests, and the easy-to-use controls make serving wine a breeze. Number 1. Ultra Fresh 2.5-gallon liquid laundry detergent. Introducing Ultra Fresh, the powerful laundry detergent designed for all your washing needs. Get brilliantly clean clothes with every wash. Experience the 6X Platinum formula that tackles tough stains and leaves your laundry smelling fresh. It's designed to work effectively in all machine types. With a generous 2 by 2.5-gallon size, this detergent provides exceptional value. You can achieve up to 640 loads of clean laundry, making it perfect for busy households. Enjoy the classic and refreshing original blue scent that your family will love. It leaves a subtle, pleasant fragrance on all your fabrics. This versatile detergent is safe and effective for use in all types of washing machines. No need to worry about compatibility issues. Achieve a brilliant clean with every wash cycle. Ultra Fresh ensures your clothes look and feel their best, load after load. What we like. This laundry detergent offers exceptional cleaning power for all your clothes. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that handles a large number of loads and works with any washing machine, this is a great option. It's ideal for families or anyone who wants a reliable and efficient laundry day. What people say. The machine is designed to hold up to 4 bottles of wine, allowing for a variety of selections to be available at once. Its sleek design fits well on a countertop. It dispenses wine precisely, with adjustable portion control for different serving sizes. The temperature control feature keeps the wine at the optimal serving temperature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.